Hi there, it's DataImpulse channel. Today we'll guide you step by step through the entire process of getting started with DataImpulse. Let's go. To start with DataImpulse, go to dataimpulse.com and press the Try Now button in the top right corner of the screen or in the bottom left corner of the screen. A registration form will appear. Fill all the fields there. Be careful to re-enter exactly the same password. You can skip the field company if you want to. Choose a preferable means of communication. If you want to keep in touch via Signal, Viber or WhatsApp, you will have to enter your active phone number as well. If you opt for Telegram, please enter your nickname using an @sign. If it's convenient for you to use Skype, leave your account. If you choose to stay connected via email, you don't have to re-enter it. Then select your use case from the list. If you choose the other option, please write what it is. Don't forget to check a box to confirm that you read our Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can take a look at them by clicking on the active links right in the form. Click on the Sign Up button to get to the next step. You can also use your Google or LinkedIn account to sign up. If everything is correct, you will see a thank you message that contains further instructions. To complete the registration, please go to your inbox, open a letter we sent you, and click on the Verify Email button. The system will redirect you to dataimpulse.com. You will see a notice of successful confirmation. Now you need to log in again. You can use your credentials or log in via your Google or LinkedIn accounts. Once you log into your account, the system automatically leads you to the Plans tab. As you don't have any plans yet, here you see a message offering you to get a paid trial. To do so, click on the plus Create a New Order button. In the Choose Proxy Type section, choose a plan you want to test and press the Buy Now button. Scroll down to the plain label field of the Create a New Order section. Check whether a selected plan's name is written here, and then press the Proceed button in the bottom right corner. Choose a payment method and click on the Continue button. Enter the necessary payment details and pay. You can save your payment details for one-click checkout. Then the system will redirect you back to your account. If you still see a payment window with a Session has expired sign, just close it. If you get back to your account and again see a message offering you to buy a trial, refresh the page. If you get back to the Plans tab and encounter an offer to purchase a trial plan of the same proxy type, refreshing the page will help too. Such things could happen due to internet connection speed or issues on the payment service end. They don't influence proxy's performance. Now, after you complete your first purchase, on the Plans tab, you can see all the plans you have, including important details such as the date of purchase and GBs left. Here you can also replenish a necessary plan by clicking on the Add button. You can pay manually by clicking on the One-Time Payment button. The payment procedures are the same as before. You can also create a subscription by pressing the Auto Recharge button. Then the system will automatically replenish your balance when it drops below a certain level. You set this level yourself. If you need one more plan of the same proxy type or you want to use another proxy type, press the plus Add a New Plan tab. Choose what you need and repeat the payment process. If you buy another proxy type, you can once again have a $5 trial. This option is available only for the first purchase. If you buy another plan of the same proxy type or replenish your current plan, $50 is the minimum possible payment. To adjust settings and get your credentials, go to a tab with the necessary plan's name. In this case, it is the Residential Proxy Plan 1 tab. If you have several plans, it looks like this. In the Proxy Access section, you can find your login and password. In the Usage section, you can see how much traffic is left and replenish your balance. The next one is the Resources section. If you want to whitelist an IP so you can make requests without credentials, click on the Manage Whitelist IP sign and enter the necessary address. If you want to block a host, use the Manage Blocked Hosts feature and enter the name or IP of the target host. The documentation part contains basic instructions and examples on how to use proxies. You can find the same information on the Docs tab. The tutorials link will lead you to the manuals about how to integrate proxies with different apps and browsers. To manage your proxy settings, scroll down to the Proxy Configuration part. Here you can set a rotation interval, exclude ASNs, enable filtering, and choose hostname format, proxy type, and proxy protocol. Geo-targeting is also available without any additional payment. Just select the country or countries you need IPs from. You can check the number of addresses that are online and available to connect to. To do this, navigate to the Residential, Data Center, or Mobile tabs, depending on the type of pool you intend to use. Here, in the real-time mode, you can see how many IPs from each country are active at the moment. If you're interested in a particular country, enter its name in the Search Locations field, and you'll instantly see an accurate number of accessible addresses. Pay attention to the fact that after you're done with adjusting settings, don't forget to click on the Save Configuration button. If you no longer need your current settings, you can reset them by clicking on the Clear Configuration button. To finish your settings, navigate to the Basic URL Example section. Here you can change proxies quantity and format. Also, you can copy or download your proxy list if you need to. To control proxy usage, switch to the Dashboard tab. The Usage Chart section shows general statistics regarding every proxy plan you use. You can select the necessary date or date range and type of records you want to know: money stats, traffic stats, or request stats. This way you can see how much money you spent, how much traffic you used, and how many requests you made. The Usage Details section contains more information about technical aspects. Beside the proxy type and date, you see the exact time and number of requests you made to a particular source. The table also shows how much traffic you used and how much money you spent for each query. To see the full picture, you can filter data by status type, so you'll know the result of each request. If any errors occur, you can see the exact reason why. For your convenience, you can download the full report in CSV format. Now you're ready to back up your business processes with trustworthy proxies. However, that's not all you can get at DataImpulse. With DataImpulse, you can also become a part of our reseller program. To generate your unique API token, go to the API Management tab and press the Get Token button. On the same tab, you can see the sub-users usage chart and sub-users list. The sub-users usage chart section works the same as the usage chart section on the Dashboard tab. You can download the full report as well. The sub-users list section shows details about your sub-users, such as label, login, and other. You can modify the table settings and choose what information you want to see using the column chooser function. Also, you can see your account balance in the top right corner of the section. By clicking the Add button, you can replenish your respective sub-user's balance. To replenish your reseller plan, go to the Deposit tab. The features and payment process are the same as before. Here you can also check your balance. Be careful, when you pay on this tab, you add funds to your reseller balance, not your personal one. If you want to replenish your personal plans, go to the Plans tab and continue there. On top of that, you can participate in our affiliate program and earn additional income with DataImpulse. The Affiliate Program tab contains everything you need. In Affiliate Program section, there is your personal link. You should copy it and share it. When customers use your link to register and then pay, you get 15% of each payment. You can download the necessary promos from the Promo Materials section. Navigate to the Current Balance section to check your balance and request a payout. Note that the Request a Payout button will be active after you have 100 or more in your balance. Scroll down to Payouts table and Invited Users sections to see information about your payout history and referrals you have invited. To manage your account, navigate to your name in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. A short menu will appear. In the Profile section, you can see profile details and change your name by clicking on the Edit Profile button. Don't forget to save changes. Here you can change your password as well. In the Payment section, you can track your payments, including the date, email used, and amount of money you made. If you need an invoice, you can download it in PDF format by clicking on the respective link. In the Settings section, you can choose the most convenient payment method and enter the details required, such as your wallet number or email. Don't forget to save the information by clicking on the Confirm button. You can erase data using the Discard Changes button. That's all for today. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up so others will see it too. If anything goes wrong while setting up your proxy server or you have any questions, don't hesitate to start a chat with our support team. Regardless of the tab, there is a widget in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on it, then click on the Send Us Message sign and write us a message. Our support agents are real humans and they usually answer you in as little as several minutes. Thank you for watching and write in the comments what else you need help with. We will film a detailed guide to help you. Also subscribe to our channel to never miss another useful tutorial. See you in the next video.